Kiseki English students, anything interesting happened these days? I hope so. Today we are going to discuss about Noun Clause Connectors. Sebelumnya, kalian bisa cek previous videos about adjective and adverb clause connectors karena ini masih satu rangkaian tentang clause. Sebelumnya, yuk kita bahas dulu fungsi noun dalam kalimat. Noun bisa berfungsi sebagai subjek dan juga sebagai objek dalam kalimat. Kalian bisa lihat contoh, the girl is playing traditional game. The girl adalah noun yang berfungsi sebagai subjek dan game adalah noun yang berfungsi sebagai objek. Nah, bagaimana dengan connectors atau penghubungnya? Kalian bisa menggunakan that dan question words seperti who, what, where, when, dan lain sebagainya, serta whether atau if sebagai penghubung. Ingat, kita menggunakan connectors ini karena kita akan menggabungkan dua kalimat menjadi satu kalimat. Kita lihat contoh berikut ini yuk. The world is round. It is a fact. Ketika digabung, that the world is round is a fact. Dalam kalimat tersebut, that the world is round adalah subjek kalimat, sementara is a fact adalah pelengkap kalimat. Contoh berikutnya, the world is round, we know it. Ketika digabung, we know that the world is round. That the world is round adalah objek dalam kalimat tersebut. Dua contoh tadi merupakan noun clause yang menggunakan that sebagai penghubungnya. Now let's see the examples of noun clause menggunakan connectors WH questions. How does he get the money? It is not my affair. Ketika digabung, how he gets the money is not my affair. Ini adalah contoh noun clause sebagai subjek. Nah, the next example. How does he get the money? I don't know it. I don't know how he gets the money. Ini adalah contoh noun clause sebagai objek. Berikutnya, how does he get the money? We are concerned about it. We are concerned about how he gets the money. Ini adalah contoh noun clause sebagai object of preposition. Contoh ini juga berlaku pada WH questions lainnya seperti who, where, when, what, dan lainnya. Yang menjadi perhatian adalah kalian harus bisa membedakan kalimat pertanyaan dan kalimat tanya sebagai bagian dari noun clause itu sendiri. Perhatikan contoh berikut. Where will they go? Ini adalah contoh kalimat tanya dengan struktur WH question plus model plus subject plus verb. Jika dalam kalimat yang berbentuk noun clause, kalimat tanya akan berubah. Where will they go is not my concern, atau I don't know where they will go. Nah, kalian lihat perbedaannya kan? Pattern atau struktur tadi bisa berubah ketika kalian menggunakan who, whoever, dan what. Lihat contoh pengecualian berikut ini ya. What is in the box? I don't know. I don't know what is in the box. Who will do the work? I don't know about it. I don't know who will do the work. Whoever is coming to the party, he or she must bring a gift. Whoever is coming to the party must bring a gift. Nah, jika kalian perhatikan, tidak ada perubahan pada kalimat pertanyaan dan kalimat tanya dalam bagian noun clause. Jangan tanya mengapa, bisa demikian ya. Ya memang sudah dari sononya sih. Konektor terakhir dalam noun clause ini adalah whether atau if. Dua penghubung ini bisa digunakan ketika salah satu kalimat yang digabungkan tidak memiliki WH question, melainkan yes or no questions. Look at the example. Is today holiday? She wonders if today is holiday. Has the manager finished the meeting? I wonder whether the manager has finished the meeting. Are you a vegetarian? She asked if I was a vegetarian. Ingat ya, sekali lagi, jika kalian ingin menggabungkan dua kalimat yang terdapat yes or no question, kalian bisa menggunakan if atau whether. Mari kita lihat contoh soal correct incorrect berikut ini. Soal nomor 1. When the season starts is determined by the weather. I give you 3 seconds. What's wrong with the sentence? Nothing is wrong? Yep, you're right. The sentence is correct. Now, number 2. You should find out which the best physics department. I give you 3 seconds. Is there anything wrong with the question? Yes, the sentence is incorrect. After the connector which, there must be a verb or to be. Soal nomor 3. He refused to enter a plea could not be determined by the lawyer. 3 seconds from now. What's wrong with the sentence? Yep. There is no connector in the sentence. You can correct it. Why he refused to enter a plea could not be determined by the lawyer. Okay, now let's take a look at the Toefl-like exercise. Blah 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 will be carried in the next space shuttle has not yet been announced to the public. You can see the options A, B, C, D there. I give you 5 seconds to think about the answer. What is the answer? Yep, the answer is B. What will be carried, blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Now, it's time for error identification. Primitive people generally believe what illness was due to evil spirits that entered the body. I give you 5 seconds to think about the error from the sentence. Okay, so what's the answer? Yep, it's B. It's a wrong connector, you know? It should be that. That illness was due to evil spirits that entered the body. Well, as usual, you can check out the simple exercise in Google Form. Just look at the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. Good luck with the exercise. Thank you for watching. This is Kiseki English Study. See you when I see you.